down here. No.
Alright, this is Stuart, and he's about to go and brave the blizzard of '07. It's February the 13th, 2007.
Do you need a light?
Maybe. So, like I said, here's Stuart, about to go brave the blizzard of '07. February 13th. This is our garage. We're gonna open the garage door here in a second, but first we wanted to show you this little, we have a little small hole underneath the garage door here, and this snow is what's blown in, and if you look, you could see before, yeah, you can still see there's a hole, and it's been spitting snow up steadily through there all day. So now we're going to do the dramatic opening of the door, and you shall see what lies outside. All day it's been coming down. I don't know if you can see, but that's some majorly high snow. Yes, there it is, the winter wonderland. You can't really see where anything is. Look at that. Look at Stuart. Look how deep it is. It's crazy. He's not even going all the way down. That's some deep, deep snow. Usually we have bushes over here. You can't see those bushes. Nope. There's a little bit of one. It's crazy. Oh, and it's so freaking cold. I don't know if you can see out there, but our mailbox is quite covered as well. Did we have any mail?
No, it's full of snow.
Oh. So Stuart's going to brave this now. And I'm already wimping out. Looks like there's our neighbor. But anyway, it's freaking cold. Stuart! I'm afraid I'm gonna chicken out on you.
What?
I think I'm gonna chicken out. It's so cold. Here's Stuart going into a huge snowdrift. He wants to show us how extremely deep it is. He's up to his knees. Yes. That's crazy.
This is gonna take a while.
Yes. Don't do it all at once. Bye, Stuart.
But did you get the ledge here?
Put your foot up next to it. See how deep that is. Crazy. Okay.
Alright. It's cold and windy. Get out of here.
Okay, bye. So as you can see, Stuart is working hard. And he's dug out a lot. But it's a very tiring work.
You're gonna take a break.
He's gonna have to take a break. Where did he go? Where are you?
Worn out. It's about 4 inches at a time.
Look at us. Oh,
I'll
4
show
inches.
you my technique.
Okay.
I'll do this real quick. I'll show you.
Wow.
So first I break up the snow to make it a little bit more easy to push. Then I get behind the snow, push it about 4 inches away.
Oh,
That's how I do it.
awesome.
But as you can see here, this is not piled snow here.
That's just how much we have.
That's how much snow's there.
How much would stand over there by it? How much do you think that is?
Well, right here, this is a drift. I don't think this is. It's hard to say how deep the snow is because it's so windy. It is a blizzard, technically. But this is 2 feet easily, right here.
Yes.
I'm gonna guess that we probably had 12 inches or so. Plus we had a little bit of snow on the ground. So.
Maybe 1.5 feet.
Yeah, probably is about what we have right now. It's
Yeah.
about 18 inches.
We're gonna go.
Okay.
You're a brave soul.
I think my path is going sideways.
Oh, maybe a little bit. That's okay. Alright. Bye, Stuart.
Bye.
Stuart's back out at here again. How come we can't see you, Stuart?
I don't know.
Oh, because the lens cap's on. Hey,
What up?
it looks like you've gotten farther.
I have developed a new method.
You like your new method?
It's working.
Why don't you display? Show us.
Well, I dug trenches down here all the way to the street.
Mm-hmm.
I dug another one all the way down here to the street.
Mm-hmm.
And I just pushed the snow into that trench.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that helps. So
Cool.
I don't have to do as much lifting up of the snow. I can just push it in there.
Uh-huh.
It works out pretty nice.
That sounds good.
Pretty cold.
Uh-huh.
So I think I might have another 10-15 minutes though.
Awesome.
Then we'll get to try it out in it and see what it's like.
Okay.
Sound like fun?
Yeah. We'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.